Top 5 Wix Dropshipping Apps for Beginners. Starting a dropshipping store on Wix is a fantastic way to launch your e-commerce journey, especially if you're new to the game. But to make your store run smoothly and successfully, you'll need the right tools to connect with suppliers, manage your inventory, and fulfill orders. That's why in today's video, we're counting down the top 5 Wix dropshipping apps for beginners. Hey guys, welcome back to Dropshipping Hustle. In today's video, we're diving into the top 5 best Wix dropshipping apps for beginners. These apps are easy to use, packed with helpful features, and designed to simplify the dropshipping process on Wix. Perfect for those just starting out. Before we get started, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the bell notification icon so you never miss our dropshipping tips, app reviews, and strategies to grow your online store. Let's dive right in. At number 5, Modalist. Kicking off our list at number 5 is Modalist, one of the most beginner-friendly dropshipping apps for Wix. What it offers: Modalist connects you to a wide range of suppliers, including independent brands and well-known names. They specialize in fashion, accessories, beauty, and even sustainable products. Why it's great for beginners. As an official Wix partner, Modalist integrates directly with your store, making it super easy to import products, sync inventory, and fulfill orders. Unique products. Modalist features unique and high-quality items, helping beginners stand out in a crowded market. If you're looking for a trusted app with beginner-friendly tools and a variety of product options, Modalist is a great place to start. At number 4, Printful. Coming in at number 4 is Printful, the go-to app for beginners interested in print-on-demand products. What it offers: Printful lets you create and sell custom products like t-shirts, hoodies, mugs, and tote bags. You can upload your own designs or use their design tools to get started. Why it's beginner-friendly? Printful integrates seamlessly with Wix, and their drag-and-drop mockup generator makes it easy to create professional product images for your store. No upfront costs. Printful's print-on-demand model means you don't pay for products until they're sold, reducing financial risk for beginners. If you want to start a creative business with custom, one-of-a-kind products, Printful is an excellent app to explore. At number 3, Spocket. Next up at number 3 is Spocket, a fantastic dropshipping app for beginners looking to sell premium products. What it offers: Spocket gives you access to suppliers offering high-quality items across categories like fashion, home goods, and beauty. Most suppliers are based in North America and Europe, ensuring faster shipping for your customers. Why? It's great for beginners. Spocket's simple interface makes it easy to browse products, import them to your Wix store, and manage orders without hassle. Fast shipping. Faster delivery times mean fewer headaches for beginners trying to meet customer expectations. If you're looking for reliable suppliers and high-quality products, Spocket is a beginner-friendly option to elevate your Wix store. At number 2, Cincy. Coming in at number 2 is Cincy, a versatile dropshipping app that's perfect for beginners using Wix. What it offers: Cincy connects you with global suppliers, offering a wide range of products, including fashion, electronics, beauty, and home goods. Why it's beginner-friendly. Cincy's user-friendly dashboard makes product sourcing, inventory management, and order fulfillment a breeze. It also integrates seamlessly with Wix, so you can start dropshipping in just a few clicks. Product variety. With suppliers in North America, Europe, and beyond, Cincy is great for beginners targeting different markets. If you want an app that's easy to navigate and packed with supplier options, Cincy is a must-have for your Wix dropshipping store. At number 1, Wix Dropshipping by Modalist. And finally, taking the top spot at number 1 is Wix Dropshipping by Modalist, a built-in app specifically designed for Wix users. What it offers: This app gives you instant access to thousands of products, including trendy clothing, accessories, and home goods. With Modalist powering the app, you can trust its reliability and ease of use. Why it's the best for beginners, Wix dropshipping is fully integrated into the Wix platform, meaning you don't have to deal with complicated setups or third-party plugins. Import products, sync inventory, and manage orders, all within your Wix dashboard. Quick Start. The app's guided tutorials and beginner-friendly features make it easy for first-time dropshippers to get up and running in no time. If you're looking for a hassle-free way to start dropshipping on Wix, Wix Dropshipping by Modalist is the ultimate choice. And that's a wrap. And that's our list of the top 5 Wix dropshipping apps for beginners. Let's quickly recap the list. Wix Dropshipping by Modalist. Best overall for seamless integration and ease of use. Syncy. Perfect for global suppliers and variety. Spocket. Great for premium products and fast shipping. Printful. Ideal for print-on-demand and custom designs. Modalist. A trusted option for unique and branded products. Which of these apps are you most excited to try for your Wix store? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Dropshipping Hustle for more tips, app reviews, and strategies to grow your online business. Thanks for watching, and as always, keep hustling.